Hello guys, welcome back to today's video and today we'll be blowing up a Minecraft village. And as you can see, I put TNT in each of the houses. So every house is covered in TNT. So we'll be blowing up this Minecraft village. Hope you enjoy and make sure you like and subscribe for if this video gets to 25 likes we will do a part 2. And sorry I didn't upload in a long time, I was busy doing other things, but I'm gonna make a video every week now guys, so make sure you like and make sure you subscribe and turn notifications turned on so you won't miss another video. So as you can see, every house is covered in TNT, so let's start blowing this up. Guys, I'm sorry if it's very laggy. So we'll build so we'll start by building okay, this will be enough. So make sure you before I light up this TNT, make sure you go and smash that like button and subscribe. You might want to move pics. So make sure you subscribe. This video gets enough likes, I'll do a part 2. Okay. Sorry if it lags. Guys, this is so insane, guys. So make sure this video gets enough likes so I can do a part 2. This is causing so much lag. Can I get going? Okay. It doesn't. Wait. Oh. So the explosions. So I just saw the TNT, and the only bit that survived is this. So obviously it was amazing. Just make sure this video gets enough likes. And videos are coming every single week now, guys. So that wraps up today's video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, turn notifications on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.